In this video, we're going to focus on percentage of a quantity. So we're taking a number, most commonly a value in money, and we're finding a certain percentage of it. And the uses for this are really good because you're going to find things like retail discounts, interest rates, personal improvements, salary increase, commission rates, etc. are all applicable to this, okay? Things you probably will come across in your life. So questions that you will commonly get will look like this. Find 30% of $50. So there's a particular way that you must set this out, and I'm going to show you. So we start with 30%. Now 30% is out of 100. Okay? So 100% is the maximum we're working with in this situation. So 30% over 100%. Okay? And we multiply it by the cost, or the amount you're being given, I should say, of $50. Okay? So in your calculator, you will punch in this. You will go 30, ABC fraction button, 100 times 50. And the answer to that, written in dollars, is 15. Okay? So you're finding the fact that 30% of $50 is 15. Okay? And again, we've got another question down here. Find 45% of $1,500. So we know that 45% goes over 100%, it's a given, and we multiply it by the amount of money you've been given to work with, okay? And you get your calculator and you go 45, ABC fraction button, 100 times 1,500, and the answer you're going to get is 675. So this number here is 45% of this number here. So to follow up our percentage of a quantity, we're going to look at it in the form of a discount. Okay, and discount is something you've probably heard about in retail stores, and you see signs all over them when they've got a big sale. So a discount is a deduction from the usual cost of something, all right? And I've picked an example for jeans. You know, we go past the store of like Just Jeans and we see sale prices advertised on windows. So let's have a look at a pair of jeans here. So the question is, jeans are at the original selling price of $70 are on sale at 25% off. So what is the new sale price? So our job is to take the $70, reduce it by 25%, because discount means to reduce, and give us the new sale price. So we have to write discount, okay, equals, and it's 25, okay, percent over 100%, multiplied by $70 because that's the price of the jeans. And if we calculate that, we are going to get a discount of $17.50. Now the new sale price is what we're being asked to find. What is the new sale price? So in this case, we take the original sale price of $70 and subtract what we've just figured out is the discount. And we go $70 minus $17.50, and the answer is $52.50. This is the new price you're going to pay for those $70 jeans because they are 25% off. So a discount is a decrease in price, a decrease of an amount. So we now move on to profit. So profit is a financial gain on the cost of something. So before we did discount, which is a reduction, now profit is making money. And a lot of companies do this, otherwise they go bust. They can't survive. They've got to make money from their products, to pay wages, to pay rents, etc., etc. Okay? So we're going to take an example here. Let's pretend that John has gone to Gumtree. Okay? So John buys a bike for $120 and sells it done up for a 35% profit. So he's going to improve it, make it look better, and sell it. What is the new selling price? So we know that's what he bought it for. He's going to make a profit of 35%. So what is that new selling price? All right. So profit is an increase. We're going to increase $120 by 35. So we start here. We go profit, because it is a profit, equals. Now it's 35% over 100% times the bike price that he bought it for at $120. So you punch that in the calculator. 35, ABC fraction button, 100 times 120, and that equals $42. So now we've got to figure out, well, what is the new selling price? Because that's what they're asking us to find here, the selling price. So we take the $120 that he paid for it, and we're going to add on, we're going to increase the $42 that he is going to make. So when we add that together, we get $162. So the new selling price is $162. Okay? We figured out 35% of that increase is $42. So we go original price plus the profit, the increase he's made at 35%, add it together to get $162. Okay? So while decrease and discount is a subtraction, when we profit and increase, we add.